This video is going to be a really quick one to go over what charge is and the equation that we use to find it. If we go for the definition first, charge is a measure of the total current that flowed within a certain period of time. So if you're familiar with the water analogy where current is the rate at which water is flowing through the river, then the charge would be the total amount of water that's flowed down the hill within a certain period of time, like a minute or an hour. We represent charge with the letter Q and it is measured in coulombs, which we show with AC. The equation to remember is that charge equals current measured in amps multiplied by time measured in seconds. So a question might look something like this. A kettle draws a current of 12 amps and takes 50 seconds to boil. How much charge passed through the wire? Well, as we're already given the current in amps and the time in seconds, all we do is plug the numbers into the equation, so 12 times 50, which gives us 600 coulombs. Or for another question, a phone charger transfers a total charge of 43.2 kilocoulombs over a period of 2 hours. What current flowed through the wire? First, we need to look at our equation, and because we're trying to find current, we're going to have to rearrange it into the right form by dividing both sides by time. This gives us I equals Q over T. Next, we need to convert our units to get coulombs and seconds. So we need to multiply 43.2 by 1000 to give us 43,200 coulombs, and we need to multiply our 2 hours by 60 to get 120 minutes, and then 60 again to get seconds, which gives us 7,200 seconds. And lastly, all we have to do is plug the numbers in and do 43,200 divided by 7,200, which gives us 6 amps. And that's all for this video. So if you enjoyed it then please do like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.